Good morning, students. We also study the characters of another phylum, commonly called as phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat and helminthes means worm. म्हणजे ज्या या ग्रुपमध्ये असणारे जे काही ॲनिमल्स आहेत, these all animals are worm-like structure, worm-like body having flat worm-like body, commonly called as a platyhelminthes, or such type of groups of animals are included under the platyhelminthes. This phylum platyhelminthes is represented by some important characteristics such as, first of all, body of these animals are dorsiventrally flattened. म्हणजे बॉडी फ्लॅट असते, डॉर्सिव्हेंट्रली फ्लॅटेड, हेच इज कॉमनली कॉल्ड ॲज फ्लॅट वर्म्स. फ्लॅट वर्म्स का म्हटले? बॉडी इज डॉर्सिव्हेंट्रली फ्लॅटेड, कॉल्ड ॲज फ्लॅट वर्म्स. and these flatworms or such type of animals are acoelomate, triploblastic, showing organ system grade organization is present. These animals are acoelomate, coelom is absent, triploblastic and showing organ system grade organization. They are classified on the basis of organ system plan or organ system grade organization. That is why organ system grade organization is present of this phylum Platyhelminthes. Next one, these most of the members of phylum Platyhelminthes are endoparasite. Means endoparasite म्हणजे काय? Those worms or these animals are present inside the body of another living things. These animals are endoparasitic. Few are free living and parasitic forms म्हणजे दुसऱ्यावरती अवलंबून असणारे थोडक्यात. Parasitic forms show presence of hooks or suckers. जे पॅरासाइट्स आहेत दुसऱ्या बॉडीवरती डिपेंडिंग आहे अशी, they showing presence of hooks or suckers, and these hooks or suckers are used for attachment of their body host, attachment of body for host, attachment of body for host. ज्या ॲनिमल्स वरती ते राहतात, ॲनिमलच्या बॉडीमध्ये राहतात, त्या ॲनिमल्सच्या बॉडीला चिकटण्यासाठी त्यांना काय असतात? हुक्स असतात किंवा सकर्स असतात. showing presence of hooks or suckers used for attachment of host body. त्यांचा जो काही होस्ट आहे त्या होस्ट वरती चिकटण्यासाठी. Then next one, body of this animal is covered by cuticle or cilia. Body of these animals is covered by cuticle or cilia. Next one, digestive system is absent. Unique characteristic. Digestive system is absent in members of phylum Platyhelminthes because of these members are depending on other living things as well as other animals totally. That is why they having absence of digestive system. In parasitic form, in a free living form, digestive system is incomplete. Parasitic form मध्ये digestive system ही absent असते, पण फ्री लिव्हिंग फॉर्म मध्ये डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टम ही इनकम्प्लीट असते. म्हणजे पॅरासाइटिक फॉर्म मध्ये डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टम टोटली absent, फ्री लिव्हिंग मध्ये ही इनकम्प्लीट असते. नेक्स्ट वन, these animals showing flame cells or protonephridia or protonephritic structure, and this protonephritic structure is helpful for excretion and osmoregulation process. Nephridia is used, it is helpful for excretion. त्यांच्या बॉडीमध्ये जे काही वेस्ट मटेरियल तयार झाले ते वेस्ट मटेरियल बाहेर रिलीज करण्यासाठी त्या ठिकाणी प्रोटोनेफ्रिडिया त्या ठिकाणी मदत करतात. Protonephridia helpful for excretion and osmoregulation process. The next one, these animals are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means both sex organs are present in, or it is commonly called as a bisexual animal. दोनही सेक्स ऑर्गन्स एकाच बॉडीमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी प्रेझेंट असतात, त्याला म्हणजे बायसेक्शुअल. Self fertilization is also seen. self-fertilization is present in these members. In this member, self-fertilization process is also present. And last one characteristic. Few animals of Platyhelminthes phylum having power of regeneration and showing polyembryony. काही animals असे आहेत की they reproduce many times. Power of regeneration and showing polyembryony म्हणजे एकाच वेळेस अनेक न्यू जनरेशनना त्या ठिकाणी जन्म देईल. त्यांच्यासारखे नवीन अनेक सजीव एकाच वेळेस अनेक तयार करणं. पॉली मीन्स मेनी. पॉलीएम्ब्रियॉनी त्याला काय म्हणले? पॉलीएम्ब्रियॉनी. लास्ट पॉइंट. कॉमन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ फायलम प्लेटिहेल्मिंथेस such as Planaria taenia are the two examples. Planaria one, second one is taenia. This commonly called as tapeworm. टेप सारखे ते लांब असतात, त्यांची बॉडी ही खूप लेंदी असते. टेपवर्म. आणि फॅसिओला, this is liver fluke, small liver like structure present actually in liver of this their host body. Hence it is commonly called as a liver fluke. These are the some characteristics of phylum Platyhelminthes. In last lecture we also studied the characteristics of phylum Stenophora. This is the smallest phylum. This is another one phylum, but these are phylum having some peculiarities. Today we have also stopped here. Then we have observed the diagrammatic representation of examples in your textbook.